Hi, I'm Steve Lacy, and I'm the Executive Chairman of the Board at the Meredith Corporation. I would say three things. Number one, the scale of our consumer audience, now reaching 175 million unduplicated consumers each and every month. Number two, the scale of our digital business, which is oftentimes a surprise, with Meredith from Des Moines, Iowa being the number 10 digital player in the country with about 140 million monthly unique visitors. And the third has to do with the employment opportunities and the many, many new jobs that we're creating right here in central Iowa. Roughly 250 new jobs in calendar 2018. Well, one of the most exciting things about the Time acquisition was the opportunity to move roughly 250 jobs from New York City to Des Moines. Those are in the areas of finance, of circulation, of production, and IT, where we've had an amazing ability to hire about 150 of the 250 new employees that we need. We've also had the opportunity to promote many, many existing Meredith employees into areas of broader responsibility. I would say two things that I would like to mention, maybe three. First and foremost, the opportunity to create tremendous career horizons for many Meredith employees, longer term and also those who are newer to the organization, and to provide for them a real opportunity to dig in and deliver on the promise of this $3 billion deal. Secondarily, from a financial perspective, for our shareholders, the growth that we will deliver going forward, in all sincerity, would be almost impossible organically. So we think that we'll provide great career opportunities, provide wonderful returns for our shareholders, and in addition to that, I think continue to serve the consumer and the advertiser very, very well. Yeah, and it's a wonderful question. On the national side, and the brands that we own and operate, People, Better Homes and Gardens, Shape, All Recipes, the content is distributed nationally because there's a national interest in those topics, and the advertising, in fact, is sold nationally. When you move to our local media operation, our 17 local television stations, the content that we create, 700 hours a week in total, is hyper-local. And as a result of that, the advertisers interested in being associated with that news content are, in fact, mostly local. So national distribution on one platform, local on the other, and the advertising follows the content. Well, we've had a wonderful process in place for many, many years that resulted in me being the 5th CEO of Meredith in 115 years in total. We do that by making sure that we have a deep bench of senior managers who have operated in many, many different roles, and promoting from within to make sure that when the time comes for another succession, that we have just the right candidate in place already. Well, first and foremost, Meredith is in fact a marketing company. From our core, our circulation activities is really a direct marketing function. And of course, we monetize that content that we sell to the consumer with advertising. So we are, without a doubt, a media and marketing company. And with the recent Time Inc. acquisition, it was a wonderful opportunity to gather well over 100 great marketers from Central Iowa for a luncheon meeting and tell the story. Of course, we also hope that some of those individuals might think that a career with Meredith, since we're hiring so many people, might be a good opportunity for them as well. Well, we have a fantastic corporate website where first and foremost I would go to the investor relations area where all of the presentations that we make are publicly filed along with the commentary and with the Q&A. In addition, we always post every single career opportunity, once again, on our corporate site, so there might be some job opportunities and career possibilities that would interest some of those who might be viewing this video.